Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the username of your Spotify account. So follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. Alright, so let's get into the video without any further ado. So the first step is you want to click on your name, which is on your Spotify at the top, and then go on versus profile. Once you go on profile, you can see your name over here. You want to click on it, and you can see over here, this is my current name. I can change it into whichever name I want. So I'm gonna change it into this name, Vichy Kevin. I click on save, and my name Vichy Kevin is being saved over here, just like that. So that's how you guys can change your name. So this is called display name, alright? So in order to change your username, you cannot change your username, alright? This is a display name. Your username is like a bunch of random words and code. Let me show you guys what it looks like. And you can just click on your name at the top, go on account, and over here, as you guys can see, username, like your username is a bunch of text and number, alright? So you cannot change it. When you create your account, it's gonna be given to you by random, so you don't have any choice in it, alright? Spotify like randomizes this and gives you, so you can't change it, alright? So it is what it is, whichever thing you have, alright? So you can only change your display name, so you need to keep that in mind. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can change your name on Spotify. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.